This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Miranda Blah. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has directed officials of the central government to work in close coordination with the states to ensure that the poor get the benefits of free food grain without any issues. Modi yesterday chaired a meeting to review the functioning of different empowered groups through the video conference. The empowered group on economic and welfare measures made a presentation to Prime Minister on steps taken such as extension of Prime Minister Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. It was discussed that portability enabled due to One Nation, One Ration Card initiative has helped to benefit more people. Prime Minister said the settlement of pending insurance scheme for frontline workers should be expedited so the dependents of the deceased are able to avail the benefits in time. In Assam, another medical oxygen plant has been commissioned in Guwahati yesterday. Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has inaugurated a 0.9 metric ton capacity unit at Mahendra Mohan Chaudhary Hospital in Guwahati. With this, the number of oxygen plants has increased to 11 in the state with a capacity of 68.7 metric tons per day. Health Minister Sarma said that there was no spike in cases in the last 4 days in Assam and the number of cases is also slowing down in the worst hit Kamrup Metro District. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal held a meeting with the Food and Civil Supply Department and Northeast Frontier Railway officials in Guwahati yesterday. Sonowal urged the officials to take all necessary measures to curb price rise in this critical period. In Manipur, 271 new COVID-19 positive cases, including 12 personnel from the Central Armed Police Forces, were confirmed in the state in the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, 74 COVID-19 patients, including 54 home isolation, were discharged. The total number of recovered cases is 29,764 and the total positive cases is 31,586. The active cases is 1,417 and 5 persons expired due to COVID-19 in the past 24 hours, thus increasing the total fatality due to COVID-19 to 405 in the state. The recovery rate reduced to 94.23%. Nagaland recorded a massive spike of coronavirus, with state reporting 226 fresh positive cases yesterday, including 4 COVID deaths from Dimapur. State Department of Health and Family Welfare informed that 137 cases were detected from Dimapur, 74 in Kohima, 10 in Tuensang, 2 in Wokha, and 1 each in Mon, Peren and Johenboto. Of the reported cases, 151 cases were detected from among the traced contacts, 60 from returnees, 9 from the Armed Police Force and 6 frontline workers. The total confirmed cases have escalated to 13,976 with 1,261 active cases. So far, 12,224 positive patients have recovered from the infection, while a total of 94 COVID deaths have been registered. In view of the prevailing situation of COVID-19 pandemic in pursuance to the government notification for effective containment measures to slow down the spread of COVID-19 pandemic, Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner, in an order issued yesterday, has informed that all shops dealing in essential commodities in different localities will be opened only as per regulation made by the incident commander of the respective zones in consultation with the headman. They also to ensure that there should be no overcrowding in and around their shops. The Assam government has extended the night curfew across the state from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. till the 7th of this month. The order issued by the Chief Secretary imposed a complete ban on movement of individuals during this period. However, movement of people related to essential services, medical staff, patients are exempted from the night curfew, as well as those who are going for COVID-19 vaccination. Journalists with valid identity cards are also exempted from the purview of the night curfew. Meanwhile, 3,197 COVID-19 positive cases have been reported and 26 persons lost their lives due to COVID in Assam yesterday. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.